In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload HTML and CSS website files to Bluehost without using Filezilla or Wordpress. This is a super simple method if you already have a website built and you just want to get your files online fast without installing extra software or dealing with a more complicated setup. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account and look for the website section on your dashboard. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your website management tools in one place, so it's the best starting point for uploading your site files. Once you're in the websites area, find the website you want to work on and click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, so make sure you choose the correct one if you have more than one site on your account. After that, look for the Files and Access option. This is the section that gives you access to your hosting files directly through Bluehost. Instead of using Filezilla or connecting through an external FTP client, you can manage everything right here in the browser. Click on Files and Access, and then choose File Manager, followed by Manage. This opens the file management interface for your hosting account. Now you need to open your website's document root folder. The document root is the main folder where your website files live, and this is the location where your homepage and supporting files need to be uploaded. If you upload your files to the wrong folder, your website may not display correctly, so this step is very important. Once you open the right folder, you should see the files that Bluehost is using for that website. At this point, you're ready to upload your HTML and CSS website files. Click the Upload button inside the File Manager. Then select your HTML and CSS zip file from your computer. If your website files are already compressed into one zip folder, this makes the process much faster and easier. Choose the file, confirm the upload, and wait for it to finish completely. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is done, check the folder and confirm that the zip file appears there. This is how you know Bluehost received your file successfully. If needed, you can then extract the zip file inside the file manager so your HTML, CSS, images, and other assets are available in the correct directory. After that, refresh your site and make sure everything loads properly. If something doesn't look right, double check that your index file is in the document root folder and that all linked assets are inside the correct structure. A lot of issues come down to uploading to the wrong folder or forgetting to include the main index, HTML file. Taking a moment to verify the file placement can save you a lot of time later. And that's it. You've now uploaded your HTML and CSS website files to Bluehost without using Filezilla or WordPress. This is one of the easiest ways to publish a static site when you just want a straightforward upload process. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Bluehost and web design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.